Well, the Jeep's almost all packed up, and I'm about to take it out of the shop here momentarily. I'll hook it up to the trailer where it'll sit until tomorrow after work. Hey everyone.
Hi.
We're about 5 minutes away from home. We've just left on our September long weekend adventure. We are actually taking off all of next week as well, and extending our vacation a bit. So we'll have 9 days, I think, uninterrupted, which is pretty cool. And we are off to Bella Coola. So this is a trip 3 years in the making now. And the first year we were planning it and we were ready to go, but the forest fires in the area were just too bad. I think there was even some road closures. I don't even know if it was physically possible to get to Bella Coola at the time. So we ended up detouring north and heading up all the way to Stewart, BC and Hyder, Alaska. So that was a great trip as well. But this year, and then last year, sorry, we were about to go, and then someone broke their foot, and so anyways, we opted not to take the vacation time if we couldn't do much but hobble around, so we had to postpone it to this year. So now the stars have aligned, we've got the time off work, and we are now en route, which is pretty cool. Not sure how this is going to work. It's so dark right now, but we've just left Little Fort. We're now slowly climbing a long steep hill, and so the Jeep's giving it its best shot, but really suffering with the weight of the trailer and all of our gear with us. We are approaching a wreck site that we can hopefully find a place to crash for the night. I feel like we made pretty good progress for the first day on the road.
Open the fridge for the first time.
Morning.
Good morning.
Started day 2 here. We're just leaving the wreck site that we stayed at last night. We think it's pronounced something like Latramule. Latramule. Anyways, we're both terrible. We're butchering it. We are on the road to 100 Mile House now, and we will either make some breakfast or buy some breakfast there, and then soon after hit some dirt road and just see where the day takes us. Just got into 100 Mile House. This is day 2, and this will be kind of the only major city I think that we're in today. We're going to be hitting dirt roads soon after we leave here, and be spending almost all day on dirt, which will be kind of cool.
Hey guys, Dad says enjoy the big city, because this is the last one you're going to see for a while.
Well, we just finished our 100 Mile House stop, got some gas, got some food, some donuts, and we are now just a little ways out of town on dirt roads, where we'll spend pretty much all day, I think. fired up, back on the road. We're still on dirt, but we're approaching the highway here, so we'll be on the highway soon, and then just on our way to Alexis Creek.
Hello.
What you doing?
I am admiring this river
Where are we?
at Bull Canyon Provincial Park, just outside of Alexis Creek.
Might not be having a campfire tonight.
Good morning.
Morning at day 3. We just stayed at the Bull Canyon Provincial Park. There was only 2 other groups there aside from us, so we found a nice spot along the river. And yeah, it rained most of all last night, so we did kind of call it an early night and just watched a movie in the trailer.
Luckily, before it started raining, we were able to take a walk on their river trail that they have, which is pretty cool. So if you are ever in the area, you should check it out.
Got done with a little bit of a side trip up Puncy Mountain. We found it in Backroads map book, and it showed a lookout location and some radio towers. So we ventured up here, and luckily we're above the clouds and the fog, and 360-degree views. It's pretty cool. And then the road up is very well maintained and super straight. Like it's a very odd road for a just left Anaheim Lake, and we fueled up there. And as soon as you leave the community, you're on dirt roads. So we are on the dirt road now, and we'll be following this until the bottom of the hill, entering Bella Coola area.
We'll check back in once we get to the hill.
past the summit of Heckman Pass at 5,000 feet, and now we are now officially on the hill. Park. After the hill, we stopped at a couple bear viewing platforms, as well as pulled into Rec Site to just check it out, see what they're all about. We're now heading towards Bella Coola, and we're gonna probably wash the Jeep and trailer lightly, and then hang out, see Bella Coola a little bit, and then make it back to Higginsburg for the night. No bears yet.